What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay updated to my WRX build, which we're gonna get into. Today is a big day. I've been talking about it for a while now, and we're gonna start getting this thing ready to paint. Now, I was gonna do just a wide body to color match, but there's always been a color that I've always wanted for this car, and I think I'm gonna just go for it. Even though I really love the World Wildlife Blue, I just want this. I've just been wanting this color forever. Hopefully this month I will have it that color. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be getting this thing ready for paint. So first things first, we're gonna take off the wide body fenders, probably the wing as well, the roof rack, and then also removing this carbon vinyl wrap, and probably remove the hood scoop, front bumper, headlights and tail lights, and then start sanding this thing down. I'm excited for this day because I've been waiting for a while and been undecisive really on what I was gonna do, but I finally decided this is what I'm gonna do, and it should be freaking dope. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this just one video all complete, or if I'm gonna do it in sections. You'll see how this comes along, and I'm super excited. I can't wait for this thing to be the color that I really wanted. There's still so much work to be done on the car, so trust me, it's not gonna be the end of it, and I'm sure I'm gonna just keep on adding tons of more shit. I have tons of shit in my garage waiting to be installed, so this is kind of what I wanted to knock out first and then get started on the rest of the parts. So I might not be driving my car for a while, which is fine because I'm sacrificing for a good reason. But damn, I'm gonna miss this color. Looks so good. I wish I would have painted the wide body just to see how it looked at least once, but that's fine. So let's start tearing this thing apart. Alright, you guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is take off the roof rack. This car looks crazy without a rack. I haven't seen it like that in probably since I've got it. It looks crazy. Check it out. That shit looks like a whole new different car just by taking off the rack. Now I'm gonna take off this vinyl wrap and see how that even looks like. I don't even know how good the paint is under the wrap, so I'm about to find that out too. I'm gonna use these trim pieces. They're made of plastic so it won't scratch it up, but either way I'm gonna sand it, so it don't really matter. So just as I expected, the roof has some sun damage as well. That's probably why they put the wrap on. So, good thing this is all gonna get painted. Let me finish that up right now. I just finished removing the wrap, so this is what it looks like. so you could tell this thing was in the sun before. So now what I'm gonna do is remove the spoiler. Alright, so to remove the spoiler, you have two bolts, two 10 millimeters. So I'm gonna just remove one right here, right here, and disconnect the third brake light, and that's it. And also be very careful when you're removing these bolts, but if they go under, that's pretty much it. On my spoiler, when I added the wing risers, I put some waterproof silicone under it so no water gets through to those holes. So that's why it's stuck on. I'm gonna have to use this. What do you guys think? Should I just go wingless? Doesn't look too bad, but I really like the spoiler, the raised spoiler that I have, but right there it doesn't look that bad. So now it's time to remove the body kit. Alright, so now that I got all that off, I'm gonna take off the bumper and then the headlights, and I'll go over and take off the tail lights as well. Alright guys, so now I'm about to take off the rain gutters on the roof. I already took off this side. Now I'm gonna take off the other side. So all there is there's a clip right inside that you just have to slide to the back. And on the passenger side you just have to slide it to the front. Alright, now I don't recommend you use a flathead screwdriver, but it does make it easier. But if you do put some tape on it, I don't care, because I'm gonna anyway sand all this down. So I'll show you about those clips that you had to slide. So these are the clips that you just had to slide up and down, just like that. There's a little stud that goes in here, and all you have to do is push it out. So you just push it back. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is remove this trim so it could paint under it as well. So all you have to do is remove this, a couple of Phillips head screws right here, and then just pull this out, and that's it. So let me do that real quick. I'm gonna just do the other side and then show you guys what's next. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove this tail light. I already moved this one, so now it's just time to remove this one. Let me show you with that side tail light. So all you're gonna do with an 8mm, all you have to do is take off 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's it, and then just pop it out. Oh, disconnect the line. Alright you guys, sorry if this was a long video. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna leave it, but this is where I'm gonna leave it at for right now for this video. So next one I will be sanding this down and coming that much closer to getting it paint ready. So now this is how it pretty much looks, kind of stripped. So I can't believe I'm already gonna be doing this. Luckily things have been moving faster than I thought, and this thing should be ready for paint within possibly a week. So hopefully that's the case, especially with this weather. It's crazy. One day it's beautiful like today, tomorrow, and the next day is supposed to be thunderstorms. So we'll see how far I get along with this within this week, and especially with the weather changing up. So if you haven't already, follow my Instagram, because I'm gonna be showing a little sneak peek of this. If you already follow me, you'll see what I'm talking about, and if not, then go ahead and follow it. Instagram's right there, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you guys could be up to date and be the first one to see my newest video, which is gonna be this getting painted. So little by little I will get there, and I just gotta trust the process. So for now, be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below. Tell me what color you guys think it's gonna be. It's a color that I've always wanted, and if you guys could lip read on my WRX review, you guys might be able to guess it. But if not, then you're gonna have to just wait to see what color it is and how it comes out. So thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Tony, and don't forget to live. Peace.